Welcome back to a new tutorial, and I know it's been so long since I made one, but to make it up to you, here's a drugstore summer look for you guys. So first I applied NYX HD STUDIO Foundation as my base and then set that with HYDRATOUCH Foundation. My skin's obviously not looking good as I'm filming this, but over the next couple of weeks, I'm ready to share a new skincare routine if it works. Contour your face next. I'm using one of my faves. If you can tell, I'm halfway done. I still haven't used that highlighting powder though, and I still don't know why. Anyway, I'm using a large tapered face brush for my cheeks and then a blending brush from SYLYNE. In case you're wondering how to spell that, all of the brushes and products in this video will be in the description box.
Love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here.
I'm just gonna quickly apply blush with JCAT Beauty LOVESTRUCK Glam Glow Powder in the shade Honey Bunches, and then highlighting with Wet n Wild Precious Petals and JCAT Golden Soleil Baked Bronzer in the shade Coconut Island. So this one is a little hard to work with if you don't have a decent brow brush, but with a little patience we could achieve those brow goals. I used the wax part first, brushed off the excess, and then powder. I just love that natural looking, not so drawn in brows. Also, a little tip, use a tinted brow gel to not only set your brows in place but to kind of camouflage any gaps you missed. Eyeshadows. So I used SKINPOTIONS JETSETTER palette. I'm starting off with Valletta all over my eyelid and then warming up the crease and bottom lash line with Sydney. Next, I'm gonna take this color to my outer V and blending it till the center of my eyelid using a small brush, and then we're going to saturate the outer V with a darker brown. We're kind of cheating with the blending because we're layering colors of the same family tree. Now take Moscow to the middle part. I'm brushing it down from the crease to indicate until where I want it to be, and then tapping it on to make it look more vibrant.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you.
We're going back to the bottom lash line using the same colors earlier, and then we're gonna apply lashes. So these are from one of my blogger besties, MIKKI Galang, and I just love how the lash bone is already curved. So all you have to do is cut the edges and apply glue. And then I'm just doing some finishing touches like applying concealer to brighten up my under eyes and then set it with powder like so. For the lips, we're using something that renders a little brown shade. It's close to the natural color of my lips with a hint of brown, if you could tell. And you could finish with this look, but I forgot mascara, so we're gonna do just that. I'm rolling the wand and pushing it to my falsies to marry my real lashes. This will also give more volume and make it look like I'm wearing eyeliner. And to really finish the look, apply Pure Gold by Maybelline. I kind of applied a lot, but if you want a subtle shade of gold, just spread it out with your lips together. And here's my take on a quick and wearable bronzy look to wear for summer or even during the day. I hope you try this look and let me know how it suits you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come